What's up, addicts? I'm Jamie. I've got Michelle and Hannah here with me. When you are finished with this, you're gonna be tired, you're gonna be sweaty, but you're also gonna feel like, oh my gosh, I can do anything. Get ready to work hard and have some fun while you're doing it. Let's go. All right, first we're just gonna start with a big deep breath in and a big deep breath out. Let's start to roll our head.
Hearts collide. Shadows dance in the
switch directions. Doesn't matter which way you go. Close your eyes, start to feel the music. We're gonna roll our shoulders back, tap out. So the music is gonna tell a story here. It's all about being brave, coming into your own, feeling good about who you are, and we're gonna start to out to in. He says paradise is this place where you're not afraid anymore. The unexpected is exciting and you believe in yourself. We're gonna take this into a jack. If you start to feel tired, give yourself a little credit, a big deep breath. Remind yourself you can do anything you put your mind to and just keep moving. We're gonna take it 2 out, 2 out, 2 in, 2 out. If you need a lower modification, Michelle will be showing that when she needs it. Hannah's gonna keep the energy up with the higher modification. Inhale up.
When the dark has gone,
exhale out. This is just your warm-up. It's all about the mind. Take it back.
It will set you free if you just tell me.
You are powerful. You are forced to be reckoned with. Make that a little bigger. Close your eyes, really feel it. Give yourself chills. Surprise yourself. This is what it's all about. 4, 3. Double jack, out and in. It says close your eyes. When you start to feel that instinct to give up, close your eyes. Go to your happy place. Single it out. We're gonna make this a little bigger. Jack. Rainbow knees. Hannah's showing that modification. Michelle's showing lower modification, or you can stick right here with me. Take it to doubles. Breathe. Sometimes we feel like we're 1,000 miles from that place, and it's right there. All we have to do is just push a little further. Last one, inhale. And exhale, bring your hands down to your heart. It feels good to feel good, okay? Just let yourself feel good. No need to have these high expectations. All you have to do is just listen to the music and move. All right, here we go. This song's called Pump It Up. So wherever you are, if you're behind me, if you're right there, I want you to pump it up. He said, put your hands up high. Here we go. And then you're gonna pump right here. Take it down and back. It's all about pumping it up. Make it bigger, go! This is where you get a little adrenaline rush for yourself. Hold this. Clap your hands. Yeah! You got to pump it up. Sometimes that's what you gotta do. Not feeling it, you gotta pump yourself up. Squat. Breathe. Recover.
Not so long ago,
active recovery.
that the sound hit the nation.
Maybe you add a little groove in it.
Every Saturday
What do you need to do to fire yourself up so that when we go back into those burpees, you're like, hell yeah.
The party's jumping, yeah. And
Right
the
here.
vibe feels so strong.
Feel our energy. We feel yours.
Throw
Let's
your
do it.
hands in the air,
You got
put
it.
your head up high.
Yes. 4, 3, 2. Here we go. Notice Hannah's getting that higher option. Michelle's taking the lower one when she needs it. I'm staying right in the middle. I want you to kick some ass. Let's go. Yes, you can do this. Don't give up on yourself. Yeah, Hannah, good job, girl. Last one. Bring it in, bring it in. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. If you're with your friends, make sure you're pumping them up too. You've got to pump it up. Breathe. Nice work. That was amazing. All right, so you're bad to the bone. Get your bad vibes on. Squat down. 4 singles. Here. Squat.
You a clone. Sussy boy don't even have a sound of his own. I'm a dad to the song. I'm a fire hazard, making hits from my home. I'm a tag.
Yes.
Big bro. Baby no money, baby no
We
stone.
go. Boom.
I like chick flicks,
Boom.
yeah, I'm realistic.
Hey.
Big bone, bad
Pop
lady
that
with
hip.
some lipstick.
This is where you build
I
your
got a freak
confidence.
on me. I went for 5 seconds, yeah, we talking history.
Add your own personality into it.
Me. That's the key. I don't want a smaller me. Actually, possibly. Maybe. I'm rapping.
All right, we're gonna groove
I
it.
like big
To
cases,
the right.
people with blue faces. I'm
Center,
talking money,
left.
I'd rather not rhyme shit.
What?
I'm a hypocrite. Yeah, I'm a rapper, but I'd rather do a Fitbit bit. Cause I care about your health.
Keep
no
it
shit.
going.
Yeah, A, B, C,
Care about your
1,
health.
2, 3, 3, 2, 1,
that's what he
here
said.
comes the beat. Yeah, I'm bad.
Drop it.
To the bone.
4,
I ain't
3,
sure what
2,
you've been told. Yeah, I'm mad. You a clone. Sussy boy don't even have a sound of his own. I'm a dad. Hear the song. I'm a fire hazard, making hits from my home. I'm a tag. Big bro. Baby no money, baby no
Take it.
stone.
Feel that groove. All about that confidence, baby.
I'm not a want, baby. I need a want.
When you're confident with yourself, guess what?
Call me
You're
crazy.
hyping up everyone else too. Groove.
I don't wanna do no chit chat when I'm in the club, but you see I'm on a
What?
tic-tac. I took a
Yeah.
I'm dancing with your bitch.
Do
like
it
a
again,
clown,
one more
clown.
time.
Have to pay respects. Follow along now. A B C 1 2
Hold
3
it. 4, 3, 2, run.
Yeah, I'm bad to the bone. I ain't sure what you've been told. Yeah, I'm mad. You a clone. Sussy boy don't even have a sound of his own. I'm a dad.
Can you stay low?
Hear the song. I'm a fire hazard, making hits from
Hey.
my home. I'm a tag.
Shake that ass.
Big bro. Baby no money, baby no stones.
Oh, is it over? This is how it ends. You get the softer side of life right here with us. Bad to the bone. So much fun. You made it. All right. A little cool down, a little inside work.
You made it through another day. You made it through another day. You did it, let's celebrate.
This is your cool down, so take a breath. Hand on the heart.
Some days you feel you're brave.
Some days you're feeling brave, other days, not so much. That's okay. Watch, we leap, jump, leap, jump, leap. We're gonna really add a lot of energy to this next time we come here, okay?
24/7/365. You made another day, made it alive.
Are you ready?
Made another day, made it
Here we go.
alive. So today, baby, remember it's okay.
There you go.
We're all floating through space.
You don't have to have all the answers. Some days we feel weak. That's okay. As long as we don't exist in that space for too long. That's normal. Watch. Nice and easy. 4, 3, 2, switch it. Catch your breath here. Think about what you just did. You're amazing.
We're like grains of sand. Better to be holding hands. Better to be holding hands.
Keep it going. Remember, it's your cool down. We're all just floating through space. None of us is better than the other. 24/7, 365. You've been here, you've done it. No one can take that from you but you. Breathe into it. Yes. Get ready. Explode. Maybe take your hands to your heart. Switch sides. Hup. Step tap. This is where we end. I want you to think about this. We're here with you. Breathe. Take your hands up. Inhale through your nose. Remind yourself that you are beautiful and worthy, and everyone else is just as beautiful and worthy. That's called humility and confidence mixed together, and that's what we're after. Bring your hands to your heart. Inhale through your nose. Thank you so much for joining us. You kicked so much. Let's get it. Keep going. Even on the days when you feel weak, get up, move, do your thing, because that on the other end of not believing in yourself, it's life. Have a fabulous day. Yeah.